Which is the smallest continent in the world? Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world, covering about 7.7 million square kilometers. It is known for its diverse wildlife and vast natural landmarks. In which museum one can see the famous painting, Mona Lisa? Louvre Museum. The Mona Lisa, painted by Leonardo da Vinci, is displayed at the Louvre Museum in Paris. The Mona Lisa's mysterious smile has fascinated visitors for centuries. What kind of nutrient is essential for anti-aging? Antioxidants. Antioxidants are vital nutrients that help fight aging by protecting your cells from free radicals. Vitamin C, vitamin E and selenium are the most essential antioxidants. Which of these is the famous tennis tournament held in London every year? Wimbledon. Wimbledon is one of the most prestigious tennis tournaments in the world. Known for its grass courts, it attracts top players and millions of fans worldwide. Which animal is known to have green blood? Prasinohema skink. The green-blooded skink is found in New Guinea. This unique color comes from high levels of biliverdin, a pigment that is toxic to most creatures. What is the fear of being alone called? Autophobia. Autophobia, or monophobia, is characterized by an intense, irrational fear of being alone or isolated. It can cause symptoms like anxiety, panic attacks, sweating, and rapid heartbeat. How many chambers a human heart has? Four. The human heart's four-chambered structure is essential for separating oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood, making the circulatory system efficient and supporting the body's high energy needs. Which sea structure is called rainforests of the sea? Coral reef. Coral reefs are vibrant underwater ecosystems created by tiny coral animals. They support around 25% of all marine life and protect coastlines from storms and erosion. Which continent is currently being split into two? Africa. Africa is slowly splitting apart along the East African Rift, where tectonic forces are pulling the continent in two. This could eventually form a new sea or ocean, reshaping the continent. A group of pigeons is called kit. When pigeons gather in groups, they're called flocks, kits, or flights. These social birds often travel and roost together, which helps protect them from predators and find food more efficiently. What is the national animal of China? Panda. The giant panda is a symbol of peace and friendship in China. This gentle bear primarily eats bamboo and is considered a global conservation icon due to its endangered status. Which famous award honors the best talents in the music world? The Grammys. The Grammy Awards, presented annually by the Recording Academy, honor outstanding achievements in the music industry across various genres. It is known for its iconic golden gramophone trophy. Sodium chloride is commonly known as salt. Sodium chloride, salt, is made up of sodium and chlorine atoms. It's essential for maintaining the body's fluid balance and nerve function. It is used as a seasoning and preservative for centuries. The bending of light as it passes from one medium to another is called Refraction. Refraction happens when light changes speed when it moves between materials. This bending effect causes objects underwater to appear distorted, like a straw looking bent in a glass of water. Which of these is an example of a carnivorous plant? Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap is a carnivorous plant that catches and digests insects using its specialized leaf traps. This adaptation helps it survive in nutrient-poor soils by getting extra nutrients from its prey. Hope you enjoyed the quiz. Feel free to drop your comments and suggestions. Do remember to like, share and subscribe.